Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super frustrating issue. Cash App won't let you cash out your money. If you're dealing with this in 2025, don't worry, I've got you covered with simple, step-by-step fixes that could get you back on track in no time. This problem often pops up due to account verification, security holds, or even a glitch in the app, but the good news is, most of these are easy to resolve. First things first, make sure your Cash App is up to date. Head over to your App Store, search for Cash App, and hit that update button if there's a new version available. Outdated apps can cause all sorts of headaches, so this is a quick win. Once that's done, double-check your account settings. Go to your profile, look for any notifications about verification, and ensure your identity is fully verified. Cash App requires this for larger transactions, so if you're not verified, that's likely the culprit. Next, review your transaction limits. Cash App has daily or weekly caps, especially for new users, so log in and check if you've hit your limit. If you have, you'll need to wait it out or verify more details to increase it. Sometimes, a simple restart can do the trick. Close the app completely, maybe even restart your phone, and try cashing out again. This clears any temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, look for any security holds on your account. These can happen if there's suspicious activity, so go to the help section in the app and search for security hold to see how to resolve it. And if all else fails, contact Cash App support directly. They have a chat feature or you can email them. Be sure to provide details like when the issue started and any error messages you see. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem and get your money out hassle-free. Remember, staying on top of your account security is key to avoiding these issues in the future. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.